What's up guys, Bobby here from SlickText, and if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to change the fallback values of our personalization merge tags. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's check it out. Now, just as a reminder, our personalization feature allows you to use merge tags to insert information to make your mass text message personalized for every single subscriber who receives your message. So inside our dashboard, go over to the send a message page. On the send a message page, let's go ahead and give this a campaign a name. We'll say test, drop down, we'll send it to this list, and I'm gonna tee up a message here. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna look at the value from the Help Center, and we'll notice here that if you scroll over, there's a fallback merge tag. All right, so if we highlight this one and copy it, and we paste it in replacement of the default one, of our normal one, you now have this value. Now, if you hit send on this right now, and you left this value in here, you would actually see something that looked like this. I would get the message and it would say, hey value, because that's our way of telling you, you have to replace it with some value. It could be buddy, it could be pal, it could be whatever word you want to use instead of value. So assuming that we don't have a first name on file for these subscribers, we want to go ahead and create a value there and paste it in. So what we're going to do is we're going to delete the value part. All right, on the right side of that vertical bar, we're going to type in our value, okay? And we're going to say buddy. Now the test that I'm going to run first is to show you that if there's no first name on file, we will default to the value that you put in there on the fly. All right, so I'm going to hit send. All right, so there's my phone. And what you'll notice is that the value I placed in the text message is inserted here because I don't have a first name on file for my subscriber. Now let's pretend that they have provided their first name, either through a survey, via text message, or a data capture form, or maybe you synced it after they opted in. Either way, we have their first name now. Let's see what it looks like when we use that default value, but we still have their first name. All right, I'm just gonna edit this contact, and I'm gonna add the first name to it, and I'm gonna re-clone that campaign I just sent. All right, so remember, this is only for people who you don't have their first names for. So what's going to happen is we're going to check to see that the first name is on file, and if the first name is on file, we're going to make sure that we use that before we fall back to the default value or the customized default value that you've put in there. All right, so looking at my phone here, you'll notice the second text message says, hey Bobby, and that's because we have the first name captured for that person. And that's essentially how it works. That's how you customize our fallback values for our personalization feature. Should you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us, 1-800-688-6290, or email us info@slicktext.com. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.